at this baby, huh? Hey. Oh, lots of horses in Pennsylvania, guys, yeah. I know it's Pennsylvania, Ohio, lots of horses on highways, yeah. Not bad, man, not bad. Look at these trees, man. Oh wow, big boo-boo here. Yeah, big hole. So this is a great place to do trucking, guys. Ah, look at that, baby. Cannot be more crowded, man. This is like a few inches off my tail. Look at that, baby. Wow. Hopefully somebody meets me there. I'm going around like a zombie. All right. So they make trailers here. That's cool. Cool enough with me. Now what I do here, hey buddy, hello, where's the office?
Alright man, go all the way around.
On the end, yeah?
Keep going all the way around. Like I said,
Wow. This is a big production of the flatbed trailers, right? All the way around, all the way around, all right. Everything is here, you name it, from axles to everything. Great, great. This is a lot of value here, guys. A lot of fun here, all the way around. So, guys says, all the way around, all right. Makes sense going this way. Buddy, where's your office? Where's your office?
office, call box is out front. You should have stopped there and used that.
They told me to come here.
So you use the call box?
Somebody called from the Shunt driver call, I think. It's
I don't know what you have. You gotta talk to one of the shipping or receiving guys.
small stuff, so I gotta go around, right?
Yeah, you gotta go completely around.
And where is the office? You mean go on main gate?
That way.
I know, I know.
Over there.
Oh, it's here. Okay. Guys, another. Man, just tell me where's the office. What's the problem? Go around, go around, go around. Probably it's here somewhere. I have no clue. What the heck is that?
We're going over 22.
22. Where's 22?
They got drive back here with no brakes.
gotta stop at the gate and call in. We're going back and into 22.
So 22 is next to this one.
The other side, them trailers, the last door.
Uh-huh.
Second to last.
So how I can make turn here? Back up.
Hey, I know.
And I have a, where is there Sean driver there? Somebody was there.
Somebody over there?
Somebody was there on my back. Is still there? Huh? Is he there?
You're gonna have to pull up, and then back up, and then go over, and then back in.
Back up to this door, right?
That's just 122.
No, I know, but how I'm gonna turn? I have to back up in the door and pull out.
Yeah, you can pull up here, back in, and then pull over there.
So I cannot turn there, go out of gate and turn, no.
If you want to pull down there, back all the way up through, go ahead, but that's what I'm saying. You pull straight down here, back up there.
Okay.